Oh, yep. Oh, whoa, that was so sick. Oh no, it's in the tree. It's in the tree. You bastard. Oh man. Come on, get out of there, please. Get him out. Yep, we got him. Oh my God. Oh, it's a fat bass. It's a fat bass. It's a fat bass. It's a fat bass. Oh, it's a fat bass. This could be a PB bass. Holy bass. Sick. Here he is. Big bopper. Stoked with that bass. Look at that. Such a good eat as well. Just give him a quick measure. 47. That is a fat bass. Nearly the magical 50s, but not quite. Ew! How good's that? Big fatty. Loving it. Now we're on, boys. Alright. What a mad dog. Absolutely stoked with that. Off you go, mate. Thank you.